over there. Look. Yeah. Look. Not a river. Maybe it's gonna lead us to a right place that you want to go every day. It's a cockroach.
Can you stay here? I'm going to check this trail.
And
Maybe it will lead us somewhere, huh?
okay,
Stay here,
I
okay?
can come.
No, no, no. Oh, it's too steep for you,
I
yeah.
can use this thing. Slippery shoes.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, take care.
Oh. And resting because I'm tired. For the mud.
That's a potato.
Not the tree. We're going here, right? Oh, look. Oh. Ta-da. Ta-da.
What the heck? You throw that. That's a look. You madlock, oh.
Up here.
Yeah.
I'm too speechless. Knock over the tree and then we can cross. Is that a good idea?
Nak, we're not allowed to cut a tree.
Why? There's still branches and leaves.
Yeah.
There's police.
But you have a good idea, but you cannot just knock a tree for us to cross there, because not allowed to cut a tree. There's a law. Wait for Axel.
Let's play Easter egg.
Find an egg.
Find egg.
What the?
Dali ara kay nakita og egg. Oo, bantay, mahulog.
I found another golden one.
Oh, yan.
Golden one. Yay! Congrats.
Very good.
I got the golden one.
Yay! How about Axel?
Good job.
I'm gonna open it by my own.
Yeah, of course you can
Open
do it.
it. Can I do like that?
You open
Yes.
it by your own.
But what's inside?
Huwag akong sapatos dong. Maliit yung
I
sapatos
don't
mama.
have space.
Okay. Sige.
Help me. Mama.
Lower your voice.
Mama.
Lower your voice.
Like that.
Lower your voice.
Mama. Like that.
Sige, you can crawl.
Good job, ate. You can do it. Good job. Da.
It will be Otis. Otis.
She will not eat. This is yours na lang.
What the hell? What the hell? Taas ang
I
hila.
did it.
Ala, lupig ka, Axel.